is that as you color, the color change. And you get different colors with the same pencil. And I've had a lot of fun playing with these. But the ones I purchased were like 20 bucks. So if I could have had these for 5 bucks, I definitely would have played with these instead. So you have only one pencil, but it gives you all kinds of different colors depending on how you color with it. Like, you've got the different colors in there, and so you can kind of play with them. See what I mean? And seriously, like when I was on the plane, this was I didn't have a lot of space, so I didn't bring a lot of my pencils, but I bought the ones that were rainbow colored because you have more options without, you know, bringing a lot of pencils. And for this price, I would have gone with these. They color quite well, actually. So that's what I wanted to share with you, these rainbow colored pencils. The ones I've seen had different, the amount of each of the colors was a bit different, so these might be a bit like that too. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm just opening up the package and doing it with you guys. So I will be seeing you, but at my computer, so we can go and check out the other dies. And I hope you go and check out the links. They will be in the description box below. And that is it for this. And let's see each other at my computer.